All right, guys, we're in South Central in the hood, and I have to go to the hood spots where the people are at. So I'm here at Kindly Donuts. I heard they have the best donuts and croissants and muffins and all that good stuff, so we about to go in and check it out. If it's good, I'm gonna tell you, and if it's bad, I'm also gonna tell you. How the donuts here, sir? Are they good?
Donuts great.
These donuts are good?
Yes, they are.
Take that, my brother.
All right, bro.
Well, God bless you.
You know what this is?
Yes, we know.
Okay,
We know.
You gotta show this because you can get your donut from you.
We know what the EBT
You got to
is.
represent.
Now, I know we in the hood because ain't no doors to get in. You got to order through the bar. So that's what we're going to do. All right. We're going to get a few donuts.
Get some of that. We in LA.
I don't want none of that in my video.
You know what I'm saying? That's LA.
All right. So I'm going to hurry up and order my donuts and get the hell out of here. I want to get this donut right here. Let me have 3 of those brown circle things. So this is our first donut. I'm really excited. It smells great. It's soft and pillowy. That's a very good donut. I highly recommend this place. Y'all come out here, get yourself a donut. It's called Kindly Donuts. It's delicious. Look at the texture of that. When I bit into it, my teeth just sank right in. On top, it has a really nice cinnamon and sugar crumble. It has a really nice buttery flavor. I think it's great. I would definitely come back here. My name is Lorren, the Spice King, and I'll see you on the next bite. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to show you the wall art in South Central. It's beautiful. So you can eat your donuts and behold all the wall art.